Use the Profile library to define profiles for linear solids in BricsCAD BIM. Here, you can choose a standard, a shape, and a name using the drop-down lists. Let's open the Profiles dialog box. The Profiles dialog box shows the properties of the selected profile. You can create a new profile by clicking the New Profile button. You can use a predefined shape and change the parameter values, or use a custom shape. Click Save to accept the changes. Your profile is now ready to be used in the BIM model. Drag the profile onto any linear solid to apply it.